Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students and viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel DigiLearnersPoint. Today video will cover the solution of question number 4, which is related to the subject 1430, and this assignment is number 1 and it is related to spring 2023. So let's start reading question and its related requirements. Finally we will discuss the solution in detail. And let's start reading the question. The administrator of a hospital surveyed the number of days 200 randomly chosen patients stayed in the hospital following an operation. Data are hospital stay in days. It is in the form of group or intervals 1 to 3, 4 to 6, 7 to 9, and frequency. How many number of patients are to be stayed in hospital for operation if the number of stays are 1 to 3, if the number of stays are between 4 to 6. So this frequency reflects the number of patients that stay in the hospital regarding the concerned group. So here is the information. So first assignment or task is calculate mean, standard deviation and coefficient of variation. Total marks is 10. According to Chebyshev theorem, how many stays should be between 0 and 17? How many are actually in that interval? Please read this task number 2 or B carefully. You have to be apply Chebyshev's theorem to determine that how many patients are there in the group related to the 0 to 17. So group is from here 0 to this group 16 to 18. So after that you are going to determine how many are actually in that interval, this interval from here to there 0 to 17 interval. So let's move to the part C. Because the distribution is roughly bell shaped, how many stays can we expect between 0 and 17 days? So let's move to the solution that I have already solved in Excel workbook. So here is the solution, here is the data. Hospital stay in days in form of group or classes, frequency is given. So I am going to determine the variable x, which is simply the mean of this group, which is obtained by adding lower limit plus upper limit and divide by 2. Because there are two values in the group, so we are going to divide by the 2. The same formula I am going to apply on each interval or class, so I will get the corresponding value of the x here. In next column I am going to multiply this number of frequency with the x values. We will get this fx column values and we will get the sum of this column 1543. So next we are going to, either you can use this formula fx whole square x square f into x square or x minus bar x mean minus into x minus x bar x mean whole square into third column is f into x minus x bar whole square. Please write it here x bar. So here is a mean, dividing this sum of column D with the total number of frequency, which is equal to 200. We will get the mean. Standard deviation, you can also write it STT. Standard deviation is obtained by this formula. I am going to use this formula. So what I am going to do, I am going to square root of this column J and divided by 12. Another one is maybe like this, square root maybe almost both are same. Coefficient of variation is equal to, here is the formula, standard deviation divided by the mean. We will get the standard coefficient of variation. Now come to the part B. In part B, using the Chebyshev theorem, we are going to find the, let's move to the part B. How many stays should be between 0 and 17? days. So come back to the solution. Here is k is obtained by using this formula, 17 upper class minus mean divided by standard deviation. So B15, look at this standard deviation. So it is better to be use this one rather this one. So next I am going to use this formula, 1 minus 1 over k square. So 0.745 we will get this one. The k value is 1.98. It is approximately equal to 2. So I am going to get 2 into mean to find out the number of patients stayed in that interval. So the interval is, please let me know right here the interval more verification. Interval is 0-70. So now we are going to determine the number of patients stayed in hospital for this group. So what I am going to do, I am going to multiply this 2 with the mean. Mean is 7.715, so we will get 149.139 patients. Almost 150 patients will stay regarding this group in the hospitals. Now come to the find out the actual number of patients stayed in that interval, which is equal to 191. How I will get this one? Come to the table. So I am going to be add this number of patients stay up to the 16 to 18 class. So look at this, there is a 191 number of patients actually stayed, but as per our computation the number of patients stayed in the hospitals are 150. So let's move to the part C. As the distribution is roughly bell shaped, so we have the distribution like this: x mean plus minus 1 is equal to 68%, x bar plus minus 2 sigma 95%. So as we have used the value of k is equal to 2, so we come to the conclusion that most of the values are patients, number of patients in the hospital falls in this category. 95.44% means x bar plus minus 2 sigma. I hope you will find this solution useful, and please don't make a photocopy, use your own mind. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button to receive my upcoming valuable videos on time. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.